Spectacular pieces, amazing quality. Birdseye maple and curly maple both. 5A grade. If you're looking for amazing quality, Birdseye, curly maple. Thermally modified roasted maple. Custom milled, amazing quality. Batch after batch. Consecutive cut. A lot of them are finest quality. There are some different grades also available. So if you guys looking to bake some amazing quality Birdseye maple, curly maple, give us a call. California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California. 714-929-1234. Check it out this. Is there anything better than that? Unique, right? Sweet. Birdseye. Curly maple and Birdseye maple, right? We are fully loaded with the whole quality, amazing quality. Birdseye, like curly maple right there. A lot of them are curly, a lot of them are Birdseye. Look at that. It's a big shipment, guys. A lot of hard work. Thanks to Almighty God, be able to do it right now. If you need it, give us a call. Amazing. Check it out this. Look at that. Birdseye, curly maple. Thank you.